Working with people in Arbonne is what ignites me. I enjoy watching them grow and get challenged and just become greater people than they ever dreamt they could be.
When I realized what I could do, what I could make, and how far I could go, then I thought there's so many out there like me that haven't had this opportunity, and I've got to find them. I've got to tell them.
The alarm would go off in the morning, and I'd get up and go to work, and think, just couldn't wait till for the day to end. But with Arbonne, everything is different. I've been with them now 21 years, and I'm still as excited as I was the day one.
The best thing that I can do to ignite my business is to get into personal activity. You cannot do this business counting on everybody else to do it for you. You have to go out and build this business yourself.
I ignite my business by just visiting it with everyone about the opportunity with Arbonne and the incredible products.
What ignites me every day about Arbonne is just getting up and knowing that it's made such a difference for so many people in so many lives, and having a gift that we can share with others so they can experience success as well.
The first time I tried Arbonne, in my starter kit from Rita Davenport's home, I thought, this is unique, this is different. I have never tried a product like this.
They start owning it. They feel their skin, they can tell the difference immediately, and that really ignites me and gets me charged up to get on the phone and make more appointments.
I ignite my business the same way today as I did 20 years ago, and that is by making it part of my life every day. Listening to people, talking to people, sharing with them what it's done for me and letting them know what it can do for them.
This company is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I'm so glad I opened that door.
And being in this type of business gave me that opportunity to be empowered, to be in charge, and to make decisions every day for myself and for my children. And that thrilled me, and I love sharing that with people.
I don't have anything different than anyone else has. Anyone that has a true desire to change their life can do it.